Hey guys, Aldo here. So today we'll be checking out the Super AoLong, the 20 magnet ball core maglev. So we just got this recently, so let's check it out. So we have the bag, the box itself. So how do you open this? Okay, it says here open. Oh, okay. So we have the card, the cube, and the accessories. So this box is pretty interesting in my opinion. Like a different box design. Pretty interesting. Okay, how do you close it? Oh, never mind. Okay, so let's check out first the accessories before moving to the cube. Okay, so we have the how to solve the cube manual, how to a card from MoYu, how to use the adjustment system, and then the tool and some extra parts. So I believe that this is has a similar features as the Super AoLong version 2, where you can switch out the pieces, whether you wanted to have it maglev version or a spring version. So yeah, so I think they added here. Okay. Okay. So let's check out the cube. So the cube is kind of light in my opinion. It's a bit light. So let's do some first turn. Okay. The cube is a bit, it's very flexible in my opinion. A bit very flexible. Let's do some, let's try some corner cutting. Okay, can corner cut. What about 45 degrees? Okay. Oh, it can. Yeah, it can. So it's very flexible. Okay. So let's check out the piece design. Okay, so it you can adjust the magnets on the corner. Pretty interesting. And then as well as there's also a repelling edge magnet. So this is the I don't know if you can see it, but the bulk it is a bulk version. So there's repelling edge magnet and as well as core to core magnets. Okay. Pretty interesting. So yeah, this is it. Let's check out the magnet, the adjustment system. So it is it's the same adjustment system as the MoYu AoLong V11. MoYu AoLong V11. So you have the axe. I don't know what you call this, but I'll just call it axe adjustment system tool. Sorry, axe adjustment tool. So yeah, you can use this to adjust the whether you tension it and compress it. Okay. So yeah. So in my opinion, the feeling of the cube is like really similar to the Super AoLong 20 magnet ball core. So this is the Super AoLong 20 magnet ball core. It's really similar. Has this it's really both of them are really crunchy, and as well as the only difference is that this one is not really flexible and this one is really flexible. Yeah. So yeah, and as well as I think this is the feeling of it is like really similar to the Super AoLong. I already tried the Super AoLong cube. I borrowed it from a friend. I tried his. So it's really that cube is really flexible, but it's also and when I tried this cube, it's also flexible. So it's similar. It's really similar. So yeah. So I'll be setting the cube and then do some solves. I'll see you guys. So we set up the cube and did some solves with the MoYu Super AoLong. So I want to give my final thoughts on the MoYu Super AoLong. So the MoYu Super AoLong really feels like a modern take on a classic name. The 20 magnet ball core gives out a great stability. The maglev makes it fast and effortless. The turning feels smooth but still controllable. It's not overly aggressive, which makes it easy to adapt to, especially for solvers who like a balanced and refined feel. If you enjoy the customization, the strong magnet position, and a premium MoYu turning style, the Super AoLong is definitely a cube worth checking out.